Hey, Kelly. So new data shows that the United States has fast become the darling of the Bitcoin mining world. According to research from Cambridge University, the U.S. is the second biggest mining destination on the planet, just after China. We've known for months that China was kicking out all of its Bitcoin miners, and we had suspected that they were headed to the States because of the country's competitive energy landscape. But this data confirms that suspicion. The U.S. is home to nearly 17% of nearly all of the world's Bitcoin miners, which is a 151% increase from September. And as you said, Kelly, what's especially noteworthy here is the fact that this migration to the U.S. started even before the China crackdown began. What I'm hearing from some of the biggest U.S.-based mining operators is that America's global share of the mining market is likely much bigger. And Fred Thiel of Marathon Digital actually thinks that North America could have close to 40% of all miners by the end of 2022, with the U.S. accounting for a large portion of that share. One important note, this could totally change the narrative around Bitcoin's carbon footprint because the U.S. is known for its abundant sources of renewable energy. Kelly?
Right, which would be a nice turn from a lot of the concerns they had about mining in China. Mackenzie, and by the way, evidently Kazakhstan is another big winner of this miner migration. But as it relates to the U.S., could this actually be a good thing for human capital here in the long run? I mean, there are a lot of people scratching their heads because they're saying China is basically pushing out of the country some of the brightest minds working on, if you want to call it mining or crypto or software. I mean, you have to be, these are very, very bright people, and evidently they're moving to the U.S.
Yeah, they are. And I've spoken to a lot of companies, these U.S.-based Bitcoin miners, and they say that they already have deals going to both inherit the equipment, so the actual Bitcoin miners, but they also have this influx of smart minds coming to join forces with them. So I think it's going to be really interesting what happens in this space going forward.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.